ఆ! ఇంకా షేర్ చేయలేదు మీకు స్క్రీను. ఆ! రాలేదు. నాన్న ఫోటో కాదే. అక్కడ ఏదో చేసి స్క్రీన్‌కి పెట్టాలి. దీని ఎదురుగుండా నా మొహం రాకుండా. ఓకే. వెళ్ళిపోతుందది. Yeah. Good morning, viewers. Uh, Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. Today, we are going to discuss the topic, the first topic in SAP, that's enterprise structure. How does a structure of any company will look like? In our last lecture, we have seen what are the two screens in SAP, end user screen and the consultant screen. Today, now let's assume we have taken an example. If Modi Xerox wants to implement SAP in their organization, they are going to place an order with a implementer. Let's assume it will be IBM. Now, what is the thing which going to be done by the IBM people? First, they have to map the structure of Modi Xerox into the software. Now, how it is done? First, we have to understand the structure of any company, how it looks like. What is the terminology being used in SAP language and what it is called in the domain or outside language. Now, the number of organization units to be defined to run my simple order to cash cycle, procurement to pay, and plan to manufacture or plan to produce cycle, which we have seen in our last lecture. How many organization elements we have to define? We have to define around 10 organization elements. What are they? They are company, company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, plant, storage location, purchase organization, warehouse number, and shipping point. Now, what is this company, company code up to shipping point? What are these organization unit? How does a structure of any company will look like? Let's try to understand in a layman term. How the structure of any company will look like? You will have a corporate group. Under the corporate group, you have got subsidiary companies. Under the subsidiary company, you have got the head of the department. You have got head of the sales department, head of the production department, head of the purchase department, and so on, head of the human resource department. Now, here in our example, what is the group we have taken? We have taken Modi group. So, outside world, whatever I call group in SAP, the equivalent SAP terminology for a group is company. Outside world, whatever we are calling as company, for me, Modi Xerox Limited is a company. But in SAP, this level is addressed as company code. Now, what does Modi Xerox do? They sell a Xerox machine. How do they sell? They have a head of the sales department. What you call outside head of the sales department in SAP, it is called as sales organization. So we can say Modi Xerox sales organization. Now outside world, what we call mode of sale. How do I sell the product? How the product reaches the customer? That is called in SAP as distribution channel. Now, what is your distribution channel? The channel through which the product reaches the customer is called as distribution channel. The channel through which the product. Now, what could be the different channels? The company may decide to recruit the sales executives on their payroll and sell it. That's called as direct. Next, they may go for indirect way of selling, indirect channel, or they can appoint ABC agency as their distributor to sell the Xerox machine in a particular region. That is called as to their official site, and then it is called as internet sale. Different possible entry for distribution channel. It could be either direct sale, distributor sale, or internet sale. Let's take in our example only one. The company has a policy of selling only through direct sale. Okay, let's take Modi's Rocks distribution channel is direct sale. The next one is division. What is division? The product line of the company is called as division. What is the product line of Modi Xerox? Xerox machine. So the product line of the company is called as division. Here we are saying it as a Xerox division. Next, what is plant? Where you manufacture in outside world, we call it as factory. The equivalent terminology of factory in SAP is called as plant. Modi Xerox has their factory or the plant in Mohali, Chandigarh. So we call it as Modi Xerox Mohali plant. After manufacturing in the factory, where do they keep the Xerox machine? They'll keep it in a godown or a warehouse. That godown or warehouse in SAP is called as storage location. What it is called as? Storage location. Now, Modi Xerox will be procuring the raw material to produce the final product called Xerox, finished goods. How do they do? They have to have a head of the purchase department. Head of the purchase department in SAP is called as purchase organization in SAP. It is called as purchase organization in SAP. Then the next one is called as warehouse number and shipping point. Now what is now let's try to understand in a layman language from plant. If I consider your three-bedroom house, three-bedroom apartment as a plant, in bedroom number one, I'm going to keep my finished goods, that's Xerox machine. So that bedroom number one, I call it as finished goods storage location. In bedroom number two, I keep all the raw material. I call that as raw material storage location. And in bedroom number three, I may keep all my spares. That called as spare storage location. So what is your house? Equivalent is nothing but plant. Each bedroom, I am equating it to your storage location. Now, in that bedroom number one, which is your finished goods storage location, let's suppose we have 100 Xerox machines. And I ask my junior to get one Xerox machine to the airport. What is the instruction I have to tell? I have to tell where the Xerox machine are kept. Meaning, I have to give my house address. That's nothing but the plant address. So he has reached the entrance of my house or the factory or the plant. Is that enough? No. We have to now inform him in which room it is kept. It is kept in bedroom number one, or in our language, finished goods storage location. Now he comes to the bedroom number one, he opens the door. Now he sees 100 Xerox machine. Which Xerox machine he has to bring to the airport? Now I have to give him the exact location from next to the window. I am giving location from where the material is being picked. That exact location from where the material is being picked is called as your warehouse number. Clear? What is warehouse number? The exact location from where the material has been picked for delivery is called as warehouse number. Please don't confuse yourself Warehouse is different and warehouse number is different. So warehouse number is nothing but the exact location from where you are going to pick the material, and then you are going to pack it, and then you are going to ship it to the customer. That exact location from where you pick the material is called as warehouse number. Finally, what is shipping point? The exit point of your plant is called as shipping point. The exit point of your plant is called as shipping point. Now, what is the exact shipping point? If I consider my house as the plant, my entrance door, exit door is called as shipping point. Is it not? So, what is shipping point? The exit point of the plant is called as shipping point. I- Whether now, what are the 10 we have to see? So, the 10 are t- 10 if they are, the 10 organizations are company, company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, plant, storage location, purchase organization, warehouse number, and shipping point. Now, what is the example we have taken? Our company is going to be Modi Group. Company code will be Modi Xerox. Sales organization will be Modi Xerox Sales Org. Distribution channel, I'll call it as direct sale. Division will be your Xerox division. Plant is going to be Modi Xerox, Mohali plant. Storage location 1, and Modi Xerox, head of the purchase department, can be called as Modi Xerox Purchase Organization. WH warehouse number for Modi Xerox plant and Modi Xerox shipping point. I hope you are clear till this point. Now let's go to the E column where we are discussing length of the ID. What is this ID? In SAP, all the organization event, all the activity are denoted by ID. Like, for example, when you are in school, you are not recognized as you are not recognized as by your name. You are not addressed by your name. You are known by your roll number, unique ID. Or when you are in office, you are known with a hall ticket number. Or when you are working, you are known not by your name. You have been searched by your employee ID number. In the same way, whichever activity you are going to perform in SAP, there is going to be understood in ID language. Now, what is the predefined or best practice SAP length of the IDs? For company, they have written the length of the ID should be 4 digit. Company code 4 digit, sales organization 4 digit, distribution channel 2 digit, division 2 digit, plant 4 digit, storage location 4 digit, purchase organization 4 digit, warehouse number 3 digit, and shipping point 4 digit. If you closely observe, you got 2 digit ID, 3 digit ID, and 4 digit ID. The 2 digit ID are for your distribution channel and division. If you see here, your 2 digit is going to be for your distribution channel and division. The 3 digit ID is for one organization with warehouse number, and rest of them are 4 digit ID. There is no restriction for the ID. The IDs could be numeric, alphanumeric, or purely alphabets. In my case, I have taken what is the easiest way of remembering the 4 digit ID? Maybe your name, or your first name, or the surname. I have taken for my Ravi Consultancy first four alphabets of Ravi Consultant, RAVI. Wherever I require 4 digits, I give RAVI. My distribution channel and division is going to be a 2 digit ID. The 2 digit ID is going to be RA. and your warehouse number, which is a 3-digit ID, it will be RAV. Now we have understood this also. Now we have to go on to mandatory field. What is the meaning of mandatory field? Mandatory fields are the fields without which you can't save a particular organization unit. Until unless I don't enter them, I won't be able to save that on the server, which we are going to see in our next session, practical session on the server. So, what are the mandatory field for company are country, language, currency. How many mandatory fields? Three mandatory fields. Company code, three mandatory fields are country, language, currency. Sales organization, statutory currency, sales or calendar, rebate. Distribution channel, no mandatory field. Division, no mandatory field. Plant, it has three mandatory fields, which is called as country, region, factory calendar. Storage location is going to be having no mandatory field. Purchase organization, no mandatory field. Warehouse number, no mandatory field. Shipping point, four mandatory field are departure country, factory calendar, pick pack time, and loading time. I'd like to end my session here. In the next stream, we are going to practice how this enterprise structure is going to be mapped in the SAP server. We will log into the server with the credentials, and then we are going to map this tonight on the server. I just show you for the insight what we are going to see tonight in our live session. SPRO. I go here enterprise structure. I'm going to create enterprise structure definition. As I told you, two company code are in financial accounting. Two are going to be in logistic general. That is nothing but your plant and division. And two are going to be in SD. That is sales organization and distribution channel. And then two elements are in MM, that is storage location and purchase organization, and we are going to define two in logistic general. I request all of you, please attend my live session for this enterprise structure at the live session. If you are interested, you can join at 10:30 p.m. in the night if you people are joining from India, Indian Standard Time. All the candidates who are joining from Kenya, it will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. That will be Kenya time. I request all the participants from different country to know the time. It will be 9 p.m. to 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. in Dubai. Thank you very much. Thanks for participating. Thanks for participating. Thank you very much.